try to understand if you will play on the instrument, if you dance, because we are instrument also, just do not try to catch the pulse 1, 3, 5, 7, because you will never catch the tempo. Just, of course, you can dance what you want, but
let's dance on one to this song for a moment.
For a moment, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you will dance on 1 to 2, 3 clave song, you will never find the conductor movement. You never find the rhythm.
Yeah, boring.
Yeah, this is boring. You will just create the figures and nothing else.
Nothing else.
This is our recommendation. Try to looking for the rhythm. We use the clave, in clave. We will just absorb the 5 for create more energy in our steps, and we will catch the end 8. Look, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. And I am like the conductor for my partner. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Da di ra ra, ah ah. And if you will feel the clave, your body will feel the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Da di a I 2, 3 and a da di a A, I, A, A.